Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. So just a little update on why I haven't been doing my daily HVAC install and service videos is some personal things came up. Nothing major. Let me get some better light for you here. For one, my truck broke down, and I've been working on not doing an impulse buy and actually getting something a little more reliable. You know, my business model has been to buy cheaper vehicles because I beat them up so much, and you know, go a couple years and then get a new one. Well, this one broke down at a really bad time, so I'm kind of at a crossroads where maybe I'm going to spend a little more money, but I'm not one to splurge on a work truck because we beat the heck out of them, really, and I don't really want to you know, put myself into a big, huge truck payment and raise my insurance. So that being said, and that's not the only issue I've had. There's been some other issues going on, some minor health issues that I've been dealing with, along with you know, the vehicle issues. And luckily for me, my customers have been very understanding about it, and they're very loyal, which is good. You know, when you run on mostly referral business, your customers are pretty cool. So I really appreciate that. But I just wanted to get in here and give you guys a little update why I haven't had my daily videos like I normally would out in the field. And you know, hopefully we can continue those soon. I'm thinking next week I will have some more, and then the week after next, I should be back. I should be back full bore going. I got lots of work coming up, lots of content for you. So I just want to give you an update on that, and I appreciate the support of the channel. Thanks, guys.